So let's begin with reality check. When was the last time when you used a phone and didn't find it necessary to charge it? Never, right? It's the basic requirement of every device we use in our daily life, and to solve this purpose, companies provide us with chargers in the box. That's freaking simple. If you buy a phone, you are also spending your money on accessories that come along with it, like a charge brick, USB cable, and sometimes even earphones. Now you must be like, why are we discussing this point, knowing that it's super understandable? Well, you came here after knowing that the video is about Apple iPhone, and no one, emphasis on no one, is as stupid as this brand. Yeah, I said it, and I have a damn reason to prove it. Ming-Chi Kuo, who is a very famous Apple analyst, says Apple will no longer include a charger inside the box. Yes, you heard that right, a charger. I mean a freaking charger. Like you need to buy it separately after trading in $1,000. Isn't that bullshit? And it's a tag for tech enthusiasts who praise Apple for releasing devices with first no headphone jack, a big notch in 2020, and even that camera module on the back. The last day I was going through different phone models in the market, and for a second I thought Apple is putting up efforts to sell a $400 smartphone with flagship features, and also the company didn't increase the pricing range of iPhone 11 models when directly compared to XR and XS models. There are also reports that Apple will include 5G and 120Hz refresh rate with new iPhones this year, and even after that, they're not increasing the price, but at what cost? No accessories in the box? Kuo says that Apple is doing it to keep the cost of the phone down, and I still don't find this strategy stable. You see, most of consumers rely on their new charger to juice up the phone, and it's because of the reason that there are exchange programs where they have to bundle up the phone with its official accessories that come inside the box. Additionally, sometimes we give our old devices to our elders to use it, and if someone does that and buy an iPhone, he or she will have to buy a charger separately, which retails for almost $30 or 3,000 rupees in India. I'm cutting out the earphones part because a lot of users who decide to buy a premium phone also look for Bluetooth earbuds, so I'll not expect anyone to buy earbuds separately. Now, I saw some tweets after reading this article where people are defending this idea, saying that they have a lot of old chargers laying around, so it's particularly a nice move. I really don't know what they are saying because not everyone has a hobby to collect chargers, and even if it does, in some mad case, we need a charger inside a box, and no 5G component affecting the cost kind of reason gonna work. At the end of the day, history is gonna repeat itself, and manufacturers are gonna copy Apple like they did with headphone jack, camera bump, and notches. So Android users, if you feel safe for any reason, wait and watch. We are definitely going to deal with it. I don't really know what else to say. So yeah, let me know your thoughts about this in the comments down below. Are you pissed off on Apple, or have you already switched to wireless charging completely? I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.